Well, friends, welcome to another bus adventure. Today we are gonna finish the ceiling. I got 2 more pieces I gotta put up. They are probably the easiest pieces to put up because there is one that has no tabs on it and another one that has just 2. So I'm gonna back this bus up first so we can get in some shade so it's not so baking hot while we're working on it. I'm gonna back it up with my little tiny trailer. This is one of those things that was like, oh, that's so bougie or whatever, but is super helpful. This review thing is the only way I can see that little 5x8 trailer hanging off the back of this thing. I'd like to get something that's a little bit wider, a little bit taller. I racked my head on the top of the inch of the trailer yesterday, loading the stuff in. So, but for right now, the only way that I can actually see it and be able to back up straight is by looking at the rear camera. So, if you're doing a bunch of stuff with trailers, if you don't have one, you totally should get one. Two lights. We're gonna stick them in, then we're gonna put everything in and hope everything fits. I think by this time I kind of figured out how to cheat the system a little bit so I don't have to keep doing the crazy stuff Ab and I were having to do the other day. But we'll put these lights in, hang it up, and see what we got. Crazy chicken, get out of there. Hey, get out. Go, go, go. Crazy chickens. You got the lights in the last panel up here. I got one more that I gotta do up in the front, and that one actually has 0 cuts other than length and width. And that's gonna go literally right here. And just gonna come straight across and over like that. So actually, stink, I got one. I thought I was done with those. Anyway, that should be easy. It's just cut in and cut over 1 inch. So I'll probably make that piece here in a little bit and then just pop that guy in there and then ceiling will be done. The other thing that I got to try to figure out, so these lights have power all the time so that the bus doesn't have to be on in order to be able to open the back door and have the lights pop on like that. There's a little switch right here that when the door is closed, it's off and on. So what I'd like to do is actually have a toggle switch that I can toggle back and forth so that I can turn these lights on and off when the door is closed, and then also be able to, like when we're working on it and it's daylight out, just be able to turn it off so that I don't have the battery being drained. Again, they're LEDs, so it would take a lot to drain it, but that's what I'd like to do. So I'll try to see if I can figure out that wiring diagram and do that, but this panel, very nice and done. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in any of the products or things that I've been using on this bus build. There's a link in my description below that goes to an Amazon list of all the things that I've used as far as the lights in this video, even some of the other components that I've been using specifically that I got off Amazon. So feel free to click that link in the description below. Feel free to join the community as well. I'm super excited to use this bus to come out and hang out with you guys. So feel free to click in the links below, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks.